Hello student, this is Rashid Khan from LBM Public School, Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Bhola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. Class 8, I am your science teacher here to represent about the chapter number 9, that is reaching the age of adolescence. That is what? Reaching the age of adolescence. So what is the kind of mean of adolescence? What we can say the adolescence? Firstly, we have to discuss on adolescence. What is the adolescence called? What does it mean about? Adolescence is what? It is the age of, or we can say it is the transition, it is the transition phase or transition medium. It is the transition period or transition phase when the childhood get changed into the adulthood. That one is called adolescence. It is what? It is the transition phase from childhood to adulthood. Or you can say when the transformations are changes, when the body gets changes from the childhood to adulthood, that one is called adolescence. Adolescence refers to as a philosopher known as Aristotle. Adolescence is the stage of the storm and flood. एरिस्टोटल ने बताया कि स्टार्म क्या है, सॉरी एडोलसेंस क्या है. उन्होंने बताया एडोलसेंस इज द एज ऑफ फ्लड एंड स्टार्म. आधी तूफान की ये ऐसी एज है, इस एज को आधी तूफान की एज कहा गया. इट इज द एज इन विच द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट द सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स गेट मैच्योर्ड. But not only that signal, but also some other signals get started, like decision making, leadership, the effect of emotions, the leadership or the mood swings. That are all sets are performed over here. So we'll have to be very careful about this. Why? Because that man, that is the philosopher known as Aristotle, called as it is the age of storm and flood. Here we can say some of the changes may take place from the infant to the adult, but here we can say the age between 10 the age of adolescence in between 10 to 19 is defined as the adolescence. Adolescent. What is the adolescent? The adolescent is called as the period which has been the period of adolescence varies from one person to another person. It is the transition phase of growth and development. We can say in another book, it is the transition phase of growth and development between childhood and adulthood. So what is actually meant of? It is the transition phase of growth and development between childhood and adulthood. This one is perfectly said. What it is actually? It is the transition phase of growth and development between the childhood and adulthood. So this is about the adolescence. We'll have to move on. What is the adolescent? The child or the person that can have the age between 10 to 19. That one is called the adolescent. Next one is, in this case, when the person gets matured and produces the hormones from their mature sexual organ, like in male, the testosterone get released by the testis, and ova or ovum get released from the estrogen or progesterone. Here is the production of male and female sex hormone in the bodies of the female and male increases its capabilities, and dramatically all the changes are the states and can causes the sexual reproduction as well. They can be capable of producing producing the organism by sexual reproduction. Next one is puberty. What is puberty means? What is mean of puberty? Puberty is what? We can say the puberty is the process of physical changes Puberty is the process of physical changes which are physical changes by which a boy, we can say puberty is what? Puberty is the process of physical changes by which a boys or girls boys or girls body attains maturity attains maturity and become capable of sexual reproduction. They can be capable of become sexual reproduction. So when the puberty gets started at the age of 10 to 13 in case of a female and 13 to 15 in case of a male, or 13 to 14 in case of a male. That means the puberty gets started in case of a girls first, but later on in case of a boys. But after reaching up the age of 26 at a fixed age, they both get, the bodies develop on accordance to the age which is common and can develop eventually. Here we can say, when the body attains puberty, the pituitary gland releases special hormones. When the body when the boys and girls attain the maturity period, that means attains the puberty, then the pituitary glands, which is situated in our brain, into the thalamus, there is the brain on which the pituitary glands is obtained, and these pituitary gland secreted the special hormones which is called as the sex hormones. What are these sex hormones? These sex hormones are called testosterone in male, estrogen in female. So they are become capable of producing that one. Testosterone in case of a male and estrogen in case of a female. So they become capable of, when they attain the age of puberty. This special type of hormones. These are what? These are the two type of hormones get released in the form of a sex hormones. This one is called as a sex hormones. These hormones release and that works on the different parts of our body, which is works on the different parts of our body as well. Now we have to move on. In girls, in boys, testis produces gametes, male gamete. This is male gamete, and that one is female gametes. The male gametes produce the sperm in the form of testosterone, and female gamete produces the estrogen. In girls, ovaries begin to produce the female gamete, that is known as ova or eggs, and also produces sex hormones known as estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen, it is also called as progesterone. This one is progesterone. Next is puberty ends when an adolescent reaches. So here is the changes in case of puberty, that maturity get attained, but when the maturity get obtained, the ends when the puberty ends when the adolescence reaches up to their reproductive naturally. Next is changes observed at puberty and adolescent. Changes occurs at puberty and adolescence. When the changes occur, what are the changes occur at the age of a puberty and adolescent? In adolescent, the time of speedy growth and development is the physical and mental health. This stage is where one is neither considered as a child nor be considered as an adult. So various changes get occurred in this stage. First one is increase in height. Increase in height. Increase in height, that denoted as when the body most visible changes during puberty is what? The sudden increase in the height. This one is the most important, in which the body the physical changes may take place, the change of the body structure or shape get changed very drastically. In case of boys and girls, the bones of the legs and arms elongated and flattened, and individual become tall and lanky. Why? Because due to the increasement in the body segments, that is the organ of the body, or in the case of the different parts of an organ. Girls usually grow faster than the boys. At the age of 18, both reaches their maximum height. After completing the age of 18, they will have to attain their maximum height. Next is, all parts of the body do not grow at the same rate. If they are growing on the same rate, they must be grow, and they are having as tall as the plants or many more. So, for example, arms and legs or hands and feet look oversized and out of the proportion with the body. They are as usual, but the other parts of the body, they increases in the number. For example, for some of the others, the temporary and soon the other parts of the body again its normal proportion. The heights of the body of individual appears to more or less similar to the parents of their family members, because the characters passed through the one generation to another generation, or for transfer of gene from one generation to another generation. This one is most important, how they eat, what are the nutrition they obtain. So in case of finding the age, so we'll have to move on of calculating the full height. We have to know the height. For the calculating height, we have to use a symbol. What is that? Is the present age, present height, present height upon percentage of full height, percentage of full height into 100. Suppose if there is height 155 centimeter at the age of 10 to 11, so there is given age 11 having a percentage number 81, that is 81 by 100. So what we'll have to do, this will be rectified. We can say if it is it is in case of a 14 years of a 14, that will be a 92, and 92%. That means present height is about 150 or 144. So the percentage in case of a 14 years, that is 92. So this will be measures as what will be the solution? That will be result.